Hello, I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks, Riakeo Fireworks. We are in the fireworks business for more than 18 years. I have been working here for more than 13 years. We are the direct factory of making top quality cakes. Today I would like to introduce one item for European market, top quality line. RK5240820 Max Load number 7 is 20 shots with beautiful blue mines with gold brocade with red, green, blue, lemon, and purple. It's very shining dollies. So let me show you the item and the effects. See, this is the item Max number 7, 20 shots with the effects here. Gold brocade with different dollies, and you will also see the mines, blue mines, very beautiful. So I hope you will like it. See you next time. Bye bye.